Good morning students, welcome to our geology class. Today we are going to discuss about the skeletal muscle. So what is the skeletal muscles? The skeletal muscle is a connect to the bone and tendons. So we will move to the class. First the muscle. The muscle is a specialized tissue of a mesodermal origin. Mesodermal origin and mostly the body has 40 to 50 percentage of human adult is composed and contributed by a skeletal muscles. So students, we are the mesodermal origin from 40 to 50% of the human adult beings have contributed a skeletal muscles. So in this regarding your syllabus, as per learn the muscles, what are the muscles have three contributes and three properties. First one, contractility. Second one, relaxation. And third one is conductivity. Excitability. So these three properties have the muscles have successful to the action potential of locomotor movements to perform these skeletal muscles. Okay students, and let's move the structure of skeletal muscle. What is this? The structure of skeletal muscle. The ultra structure of skeletal muscle. Ultra structure of skeletal muscle. Ultra structure of skeletal muscle. So we will discuss. So ultra structure skeletal muscle is a origin from, is also called bone. This bone attached to the muscle. What is this? Muscles. So the number of muscles are there. How much muscles are there? 640 muscles. 640 muscles are there. So in these muscles we are observed the outer line, the muscle is outer line or outer membrane is called epimysium. In this region we are observed the muscle is outer membrane is called epimysium, and the bundles like structures, the group of bundle like structure, it is called fascicles. So these fascicles is outer line is called perimysium. So in these fascicles we are observed these fascicles we are observed myofibril. These myofibril is outer lined by is called endomysium. So see the students, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium. So we are observed here epimysium, perimysium, endomysium. So finally we are observed myofibril structure. So myofibril structure, so in this structure, myofibrous structures were observed here. Myofibrous structures is a dark bands, dark bands, dark bands here, and also light bands also present here. So in these structures, dark band and light band. So the dark light band is have mainly two filaments are there. What is this? Two filaments. Two filaments. What are the two filaments? We have observed dark band have consist of myosin and light band consists of actin. So it is two also contractile proteins. Contractile proteins. So my dear students, we have observed in this structure we have observed here dark band and light band. Dark band consists of myosin filaments and light band consists of actin filaments. So these are two filaments are called contractile proteins or contractile filaments. So in this diagram we are observed here the dark band and light band myofibrous structure were observed here. So dark band we are observed here. Dark band. So the myofibril, what is this? This is myofibril. So the myofibril has presents cytoplasm and mitochondria and a plasma membrane and endoplasmic reticulum. So see the students, the muscle fiber of plasma membrane is called sarcolemma. What is this? The muscle fiber of plasma membrane is called sarcolemma, and the muscle fiber of cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm, and muscle fiber of mitochondria is called sarcosomes, and finally muscle fiber of endoplasmic reticulum is called sarcoplasmic reticulum. So in this here we are in this structure we are called, so the cytoplasm of muscle fiber is called sarcolemma, and the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber is called sarcoplasm. and mitochondria. We had observed here. We had observed here.